Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are doing good and fine. How to hide any folder or any drive in Windows without any third-party software. Sometimes we have many sensitive data in our folder or even though in hard drives, and we love to hide our personal data such as photo, videos, etc. In this video we come up with how to hide an entire drive and a particular folder which will not enable back even though if we click on show hidden files and folders. Let's see that. First, hide a particular folder in Windows using command prompt settings. Look into this drive. I have a folder named VMP. I am going to hide this particular folder using command prompt settings. So double click on the folder. First ever thing you have to do is you have to copy the path of the folder. So right click, copy the particular path of the folder. Go to start menu and type as CMD. Command prompt will appear over there. So right click on that and run as administrator. Type the following command in the command prompt, that is attrib space +s space +h space. Now you are going to paste that particular path and hit enter. And go to the particular drive and see the folder VMP gets entered into the hidden mode. Now if I click on the folder option and try to view the hidden folder, it won't show that particular folder. That sounds pretty good, right? Let's see that. So go to the option and click on change folder and search options. Under that view you can see two options, that is don't show hidden files and then show hidden files. If I click on the show hidden files and click OK, now also you can see that the particular folder VMP is not enabled. Even if your friend try to access the show hidden files and folders in view option and they cannot access the particular file which you hide, only you are allowed to revert back that particular folder. But you should keep remember that the path and the file name. If you can't remember, save the content in any file. Now we are going to revert back that particular folder. We are going to process with the same command with the minor changes. Now go to the command prompt and the same command, instead of plus you are going to give minus. Okay, and hit enter. You can see the magic that the particular folder entered again. This was the first step that we are seeing that how to hide a particular folder in Windows using command prompt. Now we are switch over to the second scenario, that is hide any drive in Windows using command prompt setting. That is that we are going to hide an entire drive. Now you can see totally I have 4 drives: local disk C, local disk D, local disk E and F. Now I wish to hide E drive which contains personal data. If anyone in need of our laptop, we can use this method and hide the whole drive by preventing them to access our personal data. Go to the start menu and type CMD. Command prompt will appear. Right click on that and click run as administrator. Okay, once the command prompt appear, you have to type the following command. First thing is you have to type disk path and give enter. Okay, first you have to type the command disk path and give enter. Second, you have to list out the volumes available over there. So type as list space volume. It will list several volumes, that is several drives available in our system. Also you can see that all the volumes have a volume number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. and each volume is assigned a letter C, D, E and F. Now the local disk D is nothing but volume 4 and the letter is assigned to the disk E. Now remember that the volume number you want to hide. Now I want to hide the volume number 4, which is the local disk E. In my case I want to hide my E drive which is assigned with the letter E and it has a volume 4. Type the selected volume and press enter. Okay, now I am going to type as select volume 4. So the local disk E, the volume 4 is been selected and press enter. Keep remember that your volume number could be different. Once you have selected a volume, you also get a message. Yeah, the volume 4 is the selected volume. Now in the next step we are going to hide the volume 4 or the volume you have selected in your case. In my case for volume 4 the letter is E. Recognize the associated letter with the drive and follow the final step over there. Now type remove letter space E in the command prompt. Now disk part successfully removed the drive letter or mount point, and it's done. The selected drive has been hidden successfully. Let me go and check it out. Now you can see that we are available with only 3 drives, that is local disk C, local disk D and local disk F. The local disk E has been entered into the hidden mode. Now to unhide my drive in Windows, follow the steps. Close the command prompt first and follow the first 4 steps again which you did to hide the drive. So go to the start menu and type cmd, right click and run as administrator. So again you have to follow the same command, that is disk part, enter and type as list volume, enter. Now you have to select a particular volume. We knew that we deal in hiding with the volume 4, but now the letter will not be assigned. You have to remember that you are hidden with the letter E. Now you have to select the particular volume. Okay, so select space volume space 4. Now instead of remove I have to type as assign letter and you have to type that particular letter is E and then press enter. Now your hidden drive is up and it's worked. Now let's go and check it out there. Now you can see that, refresh the button. Yeah, local disk C, local disk D, E and F. The hidden folder was enabled. Okay, so with this command you can simply hide any folder within the Windows to protect your personal and sensitive data. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Do good, be good, stay connected with KIT and Visay Talam to get rounded up with more interesting video in related to science and technology. Thank you.